Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to place call using Node-RED and the A9G module on the predefined number. Okay, so we have this button. Once we click on this button, it will call on the predefined number. But sometimes we don't want to call on the predefined number and you want some dynamic calling functionality. Then how you can implement it. Okay, so that thing we are going to see in this video. So we have to write the number which we want to dial. Okay, and once we write the number, we just have to press the call button and it will call on that mobile number. Okay, so in this video what we are going to say is dynamic calling with Node-RED and the A9G module. So we are going to dial the custom number. So whatever number you write here, the A9G module will dial that number. So I'm going to write the number here, so plus 91. Okay, and I can click on this call button to call on that number. So in a moment you will receive a call on this number, and here you can see the outgoing call LED is green. So this A9G module is calling to that number. So I can hang up the call, okay, from here as well. Also I can pick up the call and I can hang up from here. So I can also hang up from here. So you can see the call is hang up. Okay, so this is how you can call to any dynamic number. So how you can program it? So we have used three component, or you can say only two component for that. Okay, yeah. So first is form node. Okay, so we are going to ask the user that provide us the phone number. So user will provide the phone number with a country code here. Okay, and then user is going to press the call button. So whatever number user has provided using this form, it will pass to the function node. And what function node will do? Function node will extract the phone number from this payload. Okay, it's whatever received by this form node, and it will extract the phone number and it will create the AT command for that, and it will pass the AT command to this A9G module. So whatever phone number we are getting from the previous node, we are going to add the number with ATD. So our AT command will be like ATD plus 9172 something 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 phone number. Okay, and then we are going to add the hexadecimal value to our payload, and then we are going to send the payload to this next serial out node, and here is our serial out node which will send the AT command to this A9G board. So whenever I am going to write any number, so if I write plus 91, okay, and once I call, you will see, let me node status. Okay, and we will deploy it and check the modem status is okay, plus 91. Okay, I'm going to press the call button, and here you can see what is the exact payload which is sent to the serial out node. Okay, so this is the payload which is sent to the serial out node. You can see the payload here as well. Okay, and you can see the sounder, so it means the phone is ringing. Okay, if I pick up the phone, then you will see the sounder again that someone is talking, and if I hang up the phone, then you will see no carrier. Okay, so phone is hang up or there is no one to talk with. So this is how you can create your own dynamic calling functionality with the Node-RED and the A9G board. So if you want to make a call to any number, you just have to write the country code following with the phone number and just press the call to call to that person. Okay, so this is the flow for dynamic calling. So you have to take a form node, and in the form node we will add one element which is number, which is cell phone number, and whenever user press call or OK button, the A9G board will call to that number, and if you cancel, then it will discard that phone number. And whatever phone number we are getting from this form node, we are going to pass that phone number to this function node. Function node will create a AT command for us, and it will send that AT command to serial out node, and it will go to our A9G board, and then A9G board will call to that number. Okay, so this is the entire flow for dynamic calling. Also you can implement this system in various location. So if you have multiple system and multiple users, then for any system failure, if you want to call to one user, first user, okay, then you can create a logic like that. And for any other failure, if you want to call any other user, then you can also create a system like that. So for each failure it will call the different user. Okay, so you can create the system like that in the Node-RED with the A9G module. So that is possible. So if you have any question or any doubt regarding this flow, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also you can send comment on this video. So I hope this thing is clear, and in the next video we are going to see that how we are getting this visual call notification. Okay, incoming call, outgoing call. So those things we are going to see in the next video. So whenever I'm going to place a call to any fixed number, I have this LED on that I am calling, there is an outgoing call. So how this notification is working? Okay, and if I am receiving any call, then incoming LED is glowing. Then how that working? Okay, so that thing we are going to see in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video, and we will see visual call notification in the next video. So stay tuned, and goodbye, and thank you.